Hello students, the next chapter is of biomolecules. Bio means that is of living organisms. Molecules that is elements and compounds. Each and every living organism is made up from different elements and compounds. And the elements and compounds which is present in the organism, that is known as biomolecules. These are the carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur. So these are the different elements and their compounds present inside the organism or living organism. We can say these are the biomolecules. How to analyze the chemical compounds? How to analyze the chemical compounds? How we find out that these different chemical compounds or chemical composition is there? How much amount of carbon is there? How much amount of hydrogen is there? How much amount of oxygen is there in the particular organism? So how can we calculate that their chemical composition? For this, we take the living tissue. And grind inside the trichloroacetate. In trichloroacetate, that is of trichloroacetate. It will be the living tissue will be dissolved inside that, and then after filter we obtain two parts. One is of that soluble things, another is of insoluble. If we living tissue grind inside the trichloroacetate, then after filter we take the two parts. One is the soluble, that is of acid soluble or trichloroacetate soluble, another is of insoluble compounds. So many things that is soluble is there or insoluble is there. It is the one method to analyze. Another method is of analyzing of different compounds, in which we take the living tissue and first burn it. Take the living tissue and burn that living tissue through different compounds, especially there is carbon, which is evaporate or come out by the burning, and the remaining portion that contain the S, which also contain different types of elements and compounds. So different elements and compounds present in that organism, that is of biomolecules. Biomolecules we see that is of amino acids. Amino acid is one type of biomolecules that is present in the organism. Amino acids, if you see the normal formula of the amino acid, that is there, it has two groups, that is COOH, another is NH, and here R group is there, then H. This is the amino acid COH and NH2, two group present in there. But it is present in the three form in the nature. this is the negative ion and this one is of positive ion. It can form only negative ion or positive ion both. That is of NH2 CO minus R and H. This is one is of negative ion and another is of, that is CH COOH R, the H and NH3. So this is of negative ion, this is of positive ion, which contain both negative and positive ion. So B is called, this one is of Wheeler ion, this one A, this B and this C. That positive ion, this one is of negative ion, this one is of, this contains both ion, positive and negative ion. This is Wheeler ion. This is the Wheeler ion. Wheeler ion form in which both positive and negative ion present. But the basic formula of amino acid is of which contain one amino groups and another is of carboxyl groups. So different types of, or in nature we can say that is 20 amino acid is there. That these are the essential amino acid which is present in the nature. 20 amino acid is there, and these amino acids can replace with therefore by the R and H groups. Normally one carboxyl group is there in amino acid, especially this is the main structure of amino acid, that is RCH2 and NH and COH is there. If that R is replaced to H, R is replaced to H, that is of glycine. Glycine amino acids here at the place of R. If only H is there, which is the glycine amino acids, and R is replaced with the help of CH3 that form another amino acid, that is aniline. Aniline, or R is replaced with the CH2OH. CH2OH, that is serine. Serine. But all the organism is made up from only 20 amino acids. So R can be replaced with the help of different types of functional groups. If R is replaced by H, that is glycine, CH3 aniline, and CH2OH, that is of serine. So if we see that amino acid is of three types: acidic amino acids, basic amino acids, and neutral amino acids. That is of acidic, basic, and neutral amino acid is there. Acidic is of glutamic acid. Glutamic acid, that is of acidic amino acids. Basic, that is of lysine. Lysine is of basic amino acid, and neutral is of valine. Valine is of, that is the neutral amino acid is there. Sometimes aromatic amino acid is there. Special aromatic means special type of aroma smell is there. Aromatic amino acid, that is of triosine and tryptophan. Triosine, tryptophan. Tryptophan, that is of aromatic amino acid is there. So amino acid is of mainly acidic, basidic and neutral amino acid present in the nature. And amino acid will form the proteins. Another biomolecule is of lipid. Another biomolecules, that is of lipids. Normally lipids are water insoluble. Water, they are not soluble inside the water. And simple lipid, that is of fatty acid. Simple lipid, that is of fatty acid. And it's a simple formula of lipid, that is fatty acid formula, that is CH3 CH COOH, that is which contain fatty acid that contain one carboxylic group, that is of COOH, and the number of carbon equal to 1 to 90. The number of carbon in that, this one is of CH2, that is 1 to 90. 1 से 19 number कार्बन नंबर हो सकते हैं. For example, in palmitic acid, that is of CH3 CH2, that is 14, and COH, this is of palmitic acid. It is the formula of palmitic acid, whereas C equal to 14, 15 and 16. That carbon number is including COH group, that is of 16 carbon present in the palmitic acid. Like that, carbon 20, C20, 20 carbon present inside the arachidonic acid. Arachidonic acid that contain 20 carbons. That fatty acid may be saturated and unsaturated. Fatty acid may be saturated and unsaturated. Saturated means their carbon valency is completely balanced, that having only one single bonds. Unsaturated, between the carbon, 2 or 3 bond is there, that is of unsaturated fatty acids. Then another simple type of lipid we can say, that is of glycerol. This is fatty acid is a type of lipid. Another type of lipid, that is glycerol, and the simple glycerol is of, that is CH2 CH CH2, that is OH. This formula is of, this is the formula of glycerol, or we can say it is the formula of trihydroxypropane. Trihydroxypropane, or we can say glycerol. Trihydroxypropane or glycerol. Some lipid contain both fatty acid and glycerol. कुछ ऐसे लिपिड है जिनके अंदर fatty acid भी होते हैं और glycerol भी होते हैं, दोनों ही होते हैं. Sometimes they contain fatty acid and glycerol. They may be monoglyceride, diglyceride और triglycerides. तीनों तरह के हो सकते हैं. मोनो जिनमें एक ही ग्लिसरॉल हो, कुछ में 2 हो सकता है और 3 हो सकता है. मोनो, डाई और ट्राइग्लिसराइड्स. These are contained there. So lipid may be only from fatty acid or from glycerol, or the some lipids that is made up from fatty acid and glycerol form. Some organic compounds that is present in our organism, that is mean that may be heterocyclic. Heterocyclic means then other than carbon, any other elements also present in the particular cyclic compounds. Heterocyclic, the type of compound which is made up from the heterocyclic ring. Other than carbon is also present in the ring that is known as heterocyclic ring. Some, for example, nitrogen base. Nitrogen base. It is the unit of DNA and RNA. DNA and RNA nitrogen base भी एक होता है. That is of adenosine, guanosine, thymine, uracil, and cytosine. These 5 nitrogen base is there. That is that having heterocyclic ring. And if we see that DNA and RNA, that is the molecular biomolecular compound DNA and RNA, and these are made up from 3 things. DNA and RNA made up from 3 things. That is of nitrogen base, phosphate, and pentose sugar. Nitrogen base, that unit of nitrogen base, that is of unit of DNA, not nitrogen base, the unit of DNA, that is made up from nitrogen base, phosphate PO4, and pentose sugar. So 2 types of pentose sugar is there, that is ribose sugar and deoxyribose sugar. That is ribose sugar and deoxyribose sugar. If we see the structure of different types of sugar, firstly, just like glucose. The formula of glucose is of C6H12O6, but its structure is present in the form of ring. That is of like this. CH, OH, 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 and CH2OH. This is the formula of glucose. Another one formula, that is of ribose sugar, that is a hexose sugar, 6 carbon sugar, and another is of pentose sugar, that is we can say ribose sugar. The formula is C5H10O5, and its structure is of that is OH, and CH2OH. This is the ribose sugar. But in deoxyribose sugar, this OH group is not there. So in DNA, the deoxyribose sugar is there, where this OH group is not present. But in RNA, that is ribose sugar is there. So this is the formula of pentose sugar, C5H10O5, and pentose sugar present in the DNA or in RNA. Then if we see another structure of unit of that nucleotides or DNA RNA. DNA is made up from nucleotide. That unit is of nucleotide, and each nucleotide made up from nitrogen base, pentose sugar, and phosphate. So this is the formula of structural diagram of that pentose sugar. And the 5 type of nitrogen base is there. I draw one nitrogen base, that is of adenine. That is the structure of adenine. Here NH2 is there, and again here N and here N. So this is the formula of adenine, or we can say adenine, and its IUPAC name is of 6 aminopurine. This 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. So this is the structure of purine, and here at 6 number carbon amino group is there. That's why it is known as 6 aminopurine. 6 aminopurine. This is the structural formula of adenine. And if I draw the diagram of one nucleotide in simple, in next year the detailed structure of nucleotide is there. Means DNA is the structure of polynucleotide. Polynucleotide जिसमें बहुत सारे न्यूक्लियोटाइड जुड़ करके डीएनए का फॉर्मेशन करते हैं या आरएनए का फॉर्मेशन करते हैं. बट द यूनिट ऑफ डीएनए एंड आरएनए दैट इज ऑफ न्यूक्लियोटाइड, एंड ईच न्यूक्लियोटाइड इज मेड अप फ्रॉम नाइट्रोजन बेस, पेंटोज शुगर एंड फॉस्फेट. अब ये तीनों जुड़े हुए रहते हैं. तीनों कैसे अटैच हो सकते हैं? सपोज दिस इज द pentose sugar, this is one carbon here, adenine is attached, this is the adenine, so we can say here this is the attached here adenine, okay, and this here that CH2 OH is there, and here phosphate is attached, both the side phosphate is there. We studied in this chapter later again the structure of DNA and RNA. So this is nitrogen base here, this one is a pentose sugar, and this is the phosphate again. Here both the side phosphate is there. So normally one nucleotide is made up from nitrogen base, pentose sugar and phosphate. So these different types of biomolecules present in the human beings, that is protein, lipid and DNA or RNA, that is heterocyclic biomolecules in which the ring other than carbon molecules is also there.